Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. So I've got great news today. My previous video that I uploaded onto my YouTube channel, I announced the up and coming SwipePro Google Chrome extension so that you can add this to your Google Chrome. It's now live and I was surprised it was accepted quite quickly. I had a few issues that I had to tweak and then resubmit, but good news, it's all here and you can check it out. Get the link below and you can install it. I've now got over 100 email templates in this system in different categories. So for those of you who missed the previous video that I was talking about, this is the Google extension. You can install it, you can pin it to your bar at the top there, and you have it here. It's got email swipes. It's called SwipePro, and it's got swipes in different categories. I've got loads of different categories: live, good, prosperity, marketing system, Sparky AI, but we've also got generic affiliate marketing, generic email, lead generation, breakthrough, curiosity driven, click boosters, general opportunity, curious email framework, insider growth hacks, quick online earnings, network marketing, welcome series. These are quite cool because if you belong to a network marketing company and you get a sign up, you've got some great emails that you can use. So there's lots and lots of emails in each of these categories, as you can see. So as I say, we've got over 100 now, over 100 emails. And if anyone's got any suggestions and you want to have a category in here, happy to consider adding that as well. So all you do is you come in here, as I said in my previous email, you can update your recipient name. So this is the person who's going to receive the email. It could be a real name of a person if you're sending out to someone specific, but really what it's for is it's for mass email marketing. So if you've got a kind of a mail merge, in other words, some of these platforms like MileageN Secret, for example, they have these first name fields that you can put in there. And it just depends. You just put the first name field in there. Each email application have different special dynamic tags. LeadSleep has a unique first name. So you just put that in there, whatever platform you're using. Some of them have them, some of them don't. This one has like a first name. You just put that in there. Some of these other ones, they generally have like a first name field where you can just copy and put the first name into there, and that will, when you put that in there and you put your signature in there, which is your name, and then the URL that you're promoting, and then you just click save your profile. I've explained all this in the watch video tutorial here, and then you can select your category, and then when you copy it to clipboard, it'll copy that to clipboard, and then you just paste it in there. There's your email. You obviously put the subject at the top there. I haven't actually updated the special tag, so I'm not going to send this email, but obviously if I was going to do it properly, I would do it like that. And then that email's ready. It's got your name in there. It's got the URL that you're promoting. It's got the dynamic tag, and you can just fill in the rest of it and send it out. So depending on what platform you're on. So it's just basically just copy the email to clipboard and put it in there. Move to the next platform. So it's really for people who are using, for example, credit mailers, different online web-based mailing systems, because many of us are sending out emails on a daily basis, and so it's really powerful, guys. And I'm going to be updating it. We've got a little tutorial video here, so you can click here and it opens up into a new tab, and then you can go through some of my stuff here, which is pretty cool. So, and I'm happy to add some more categories if anyone's got any suggestions, and they will be suggestions. I can't guarantee that I'll be adding stuff. I'm not going to blow this up and get it all cluttered. I want to keep it clean and simple so that people can have these emails available. You might get an error. You might get a message, not an error message. It's just an error that says, that kind of warns you. This is standard with brand new extension. They warn you because obviously if very few people have downloaded or installed the extension, typically they give you a warning. There's nothing wrong with this extension. It's all good. It's just standard that they do that. But the more people that use this extension, and maybe if you give me a review, if you install it, give it a review, because it's a brand new extension, and yeah, it's bound to have some warnings here because that's typical, but just go ahead and install it. You've got no problems whatsoever. And I'd be happy to consider adding any suggestions if you want a kind of an email series set up. Just inbox me And do it privately. Don't just comment for anything. I'm going to ignore those. But if you do it privately, I'm only going to talk to people who have taken the trouble to come and address this privately to me. And you can send me a message. Tell me what kind of category you think would be good, and I'll give it some thought. Thanks a lot, guys. Really, really appreciate it. But please do me a favor. Give me a rating. Any reviews will really help. If you can write a review here, because obviously I haven't got any reviews because it's a brand new extension. So would really appreciate that. Anyway, get on the link below. You can install the add-on if this is something that you think might help you. Look forward to working with you guys, and I'm going to be updating this, and it's going to be a great tool hopefully for a lot of people. Thanks for watching. Cheers guys, and enjoy. Bye for now.